Hi, let's read this book about bees. Outside, the sun is shining. The flowers are blooming and the bees are buzzing. When some people see bees, they run. Others might not notice the bees, but let's stop and take a closer look. Bees are helpful. Our world needs bees. Bees help people and plants. Honeybees make honey and beeswax. People use these things in lots of ways. Beeswax is used for making candles and cleaning supplies, and honey is sweet and delicious. A lot of people like to eat honey. All kinds of bees help plants make seeds. Seeds can grow into new plants. Some of those plants give us fruits and vegetables. We can thank bees for strawberries, apples, almonds, tomatoes, and many other foods. When a bee lands on a flower, the flower's pollen rubs off on the bee. Pollen sticks to tiny hairs on the bee's body. When the bee travels to another flower, pollen from the bee brushes off onto the new flower. This is called pollination. Now the new flower can start to make seeds. A bee's leg has special hairs that form a basket. The bee brushes pollen into the basket. Then it flies back to the nest. This pollen is used as food for baby bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers too. They drink nectar with their tongues. Some bees make honey out of that nectar. These bees are called honeybees. Inside the hive, honeybees build with beeswax. The bees mold the wax into six-sided shapes called cells. See the cells? Lots of cells together make a honeycomb. The bees put nectar from flowers into some of the cells. As the nectar gets thicker, it turns into honey. Bees eat the honey for food. Other cells in the hive hold bee eggs. There is one egg in each cell. The eggs hatch and the young bees grow and change. After 21 to 24 days, the young bees become adults. Look, each cell has one egg, and then it's showing the adult bees feeding and caring for the babies. And there they are. These young are almost ready to come out of their cells. And then this is a picture showing the same thing. Every honeybee in the colony has a special job. These jobs keep the colony healthy and strong. There's only one queen bee. She's bigger than the other bees. She lays all of the eggs, up to 1,500 eggs a day. There are two other kinds of bees in the colony. Drone bees are the male bees. Their job is to help the queen. And the worker bees have many jobs. The female bees feed the queen and care for their young. They build the hive and they make honey. On long flying trips, they collect pollen and nectar. They also guard the hive against enemies. That's a lot of work. Some humans build honeybee hives out of wooden boxes. Beekeepers take care of the hives and they collect the honey. Beekeepers also check the bee colonies to make sure they're healthy. Beekeepers know how important bees are to our world. And that's the end. Hope you learned a little bit more about bees. Bye.